All right. Lock and load 223 here with Wandering Alex. We're going to do a little pew-pew stuff today, dealing with this pew-pew item. What we want to do is put this on that. It's upside down, of course. Hope you're smart enough to see that. Anyway, so we have the bipod, we have the stock, and we have a little kit from Wally Worlds. Hopefully this will work out. What we got to do is drill here, run one of these little screws in here that will hook to the bipod, and it's done. So let's try it, see what happens. Now you want to drill that one? Start with a pilot bit.
Ready?
Start with a pilot bit right in here. Hope the light's good enough to see that. And then we'll step up to the bigger bit. Did it go all the way up to the tape?
I don't think so.
All right. Very little bit. I think you're good. And we got to get a little device to screw this in there with that I didn't get. Look in that bucket over there, Dick. See if there's anything in there we can use. Sure did. They'll be wondering now what your name is, as I'm giving two different names.
Think this old special John Deere tool will work?
Maybe. So this is what we're going to put in it. This will attach to the bipod. Because Wandering Alex has ordered a suppressor for this through all the proper and legal channels, paying all the proper and legal fees. And hopefully one day we can get that video out. I can't tell if it's going in straight. Let me go look. We need to get something else for that. I'll be right back. I'm running.
Would you like to pause?
No, just let it go. I'll edit it. Screw it right in.
Marvelous.
It's tight right there.
It's DRT.
So then
We did not come through the other side.
that's fine. And we set our bipod up. And this piece here has the holes in it that will go into these little nubs on this one. And I think I got to turn it just a hair more. Just a hair more. Like that. And then we will set this in here.
Doesn't it go the other way?
If it did, you wouldn't be able
This
to get
way?
to this screw that good. Yeah, I think if we flip that around, you wouldn't be able to turn this underneath there.
I believe you would.
I don't think you would. It's up higher than that now.
Okay. I don't have any that swivel like that.
And you tighten this down. I'm not going to go any further with that. And this is what you wind up with. So you can picture your barrel here,
which is currently at the machine shop.
it's at the machine shop getting threaded. And that's it, folks. Install a bipod. You could turn this around, but if you do, you could turn this around the other direction, but if you and put this bolt back here, but if you do, you won't be able to turn that bolt under the stock. It'll hit the stock before you get it to where you need it, which I don't think you're going to use it that much anyway, because I mean, it only swivels so far.
Why would you? I don't see why you'd even swivel.
Exactly. But you can do that, and there's a nut here, I think. You run down against that, but you don't need to. So that's it. That's installing a cheap bipod. Has extension on the legs. Need to get up a little higher. That's it. That's all she wrote, folks. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Send me some money and pew-pews and everything else that goes with it. Peace. I actually like that.